Alright, so I'm gonna go do that condenser fan motor repair. Motor finally came in from train. Yay! So what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna time it, and I'm gonna see how fast I can change out a condenser fan motor. We're gonna see after 8.5 years of being a service technician, we're gonna go a 0 to 100 real fucking quick. We're gonna do a Drake on this condenser fan motor. But I'm dead serious. We're gonna film it. We're gonna see how long it takes. I think I can do it in under 10 minutes. Under 10 minutes. Wired, zip tied, shroud, blade, everything. And this one's rusted like a mother. So bring a little rust remover up there with me. Then I'm gonna bring my punch, and I'm gonna bring some sanding cloth, and I'm gonna knock this thing out in under 10 minutes. That's my goal. 10 minutes. Time is money. So, alright, we'll see what happens. I'll get with you guys here in a minute. Later. I went up on the roof, tried to change that condenser fan motor, and there's literally 30 WASPS nests up there or something like that. So, I gotta go to the store and grab some wasp killer. I went through 2 cans already, and it literally didn't even make a dent on what's up there. About 300 more flew out at me. So, I'm gonna go pick up 4 or 5 cans and then come back up here and go freaking hard and then just knock this fan motor out in like 10 minutes. So I'll try to get video of it, but it may be hard because these wasps are fucking crazy. So tune back in here in a minute once I go get some cleaner or killer. Wow. All right, to Wasp City. Out of sight, out of mind, right? So I got chased off the roof already by these things, but it's all right. So I started the fan motor. So I want to get off this roof because these wasps are freaking crazy. But I sanded the shaft down, little sanding cloth, I like this stuff right here. A little bit of this, a little of that. 2 set screws out. I got that all loose. So. As you can see, I have tons of hornet killer because I am not fucking around. So we got different kinds. Got this one, and this one. This is the most expensive, middle, cheapest, but I'm not trying to piss them off. So here we go. I got the OEM motor. That's good. This one's got the rain shield. No, that ain't coming out. Benefits of being small. All right. Cut my finger. That friggin' fan blade was so sharp. Man, it got me good. But I want to get off this roof. These fucking things are everywhere. I'm just trying not to pay attention to them. So feed your wires through. This way, when you put your motor in, let me do this. This one here first. Not be silly. It's a hard motor to put in by yourself. It's kind of goofy. You guys know what I'm talking about. Alright, motor's in. Let's check the fan blade. I like to keep water with me when these things are hot. Just put a little water down. Alright, let's put the fan blade back on. Make sure that your shaft is nice and aligned with your bolts. Tighten them up. Watch your hand on that blade, it's so sharp. Especially commercial. Just give it a good nice tight. Sweating my ass off. So you can see it's nice and lined up. Decided to bust out the bigger wrench today. Make it easy. Whew. Sweating, boy. I didn't bring my bag up today. I just brought a bucket. I knew what I needed, so. Always make sure I take these with me. Okay, right in there. Now spin your fan. Make sure it's not going to hit the side. When you go to stop it, use that. So it's going to go this way. Sweet. Let's get our bolts back on. Get her wired up and she'll be good to go. And the wiring is super easy on this one. It's only 3 wires. Don't over tighten those too much. insane. Alright. Bucket. Socket set in case I needed it. That one's pretty cool. That one's supposed to be really good. Oh, I'm just gonna rock it. I'm not paying attention. I'm not gonna pay attention to them. We're just gonna do this. Real quick. Sandpaper with it. That was pretty cool. So black goes to your contactor, brown goes to the cap by itself, purple goes to the other side. And this is a one direction motor, so it should be good. Are dripping. Whew. It's hot on this roof, boy. That's all I know. Pushed in my contactor just to make sure. I am good to go. So like, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. We get off this roof. It's super, super hot out. You can see I'm dripping. Woo! All right, guys, rock on. See you later.